show you guys how to fire paint today. So what do you think the outcome would be of combining these two objects?
You're gonna burn that paper. Like just flames everywhere.
Okay, today I will demonstrate how to paint with fire and not burn down a building. I recently learned this skill in my painting class this year. It scared me at first, but it's pretty easy now. This is something any of you can do after given proper instruction. Don't try it before because you'll probably burn something down and that won't be good. And now I'll show you the steps. So, first you need to gather your supplies. You need a lighter or matches. You can use matches too, doesn't matter. A candle. It's best to put a piece of paper between the candle and your hand so wax doesn't melt on your hand and you don't burn it, because that hurts. Paper. The heavier the paper, less likely you'll be to burn it. Copy paper burns really easy. We did a project with her and her paper burned. Spray bottle with water and a bucket of water. Those are just safety precautions. I mean, if you catch something on fire, you want to have something right there in case. So, first you light your candle and you bring it close to the paper. You might have to wait a second for it to light. Just bring it close to the paper, and you'll want to move it continuously because if you don't, your paper will catch on fire, and then people will start freaking out, especially if you're going to burn full fourth graders. Okay. As you can see, the fire does not do the painting. The smoke is the thing that does it. And if you want to create a darker spot, you should hold the candle in the spot for no longer than 2 seconds. If that doesn't work, just keep going over. Just keep going over it continuously in the same spot, but always keep the candle moving because if you don't, it's going to burn a hole right through your paper. But yeah, you just keep it moving. You can draw whatever you want. I'm not drawing anything right now. When you're finished, careful not to touch the paper. You'll blow the candle out. Because if you touch the paper, it's going to smudge really bad. Okay. In conclusion, you should be able to do this without burning yourself. It's not that hard once you start learning it. And we have used fire to successfully paint a picture. Now you've learned how to use fire constructively and not burn down the school. Would anyone like to try? No one wants to try? Okay, I trust you.
Can we see your example?
I did this year. This was the first thing I did, but I actually used charcoal and stuff to shade the bottom. And I caught it on fire at the bottom, which wasn't fun.
Still looks awesome.
It does.
I can't do that, so props to you.
Does anyone else want to try? You guys all scared? Someone else. And that concludes the how to make a fire painting demonstration.